Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about how to earn money from YouTube. So let's start the video. Build a blog on competitive on YouTube. YouTube is the great for building your brand and create files drive of conversation and increases your business revenues. Not only that, you have to the second largest search engine. YouTube offer immense of opportunities to get a brand in front of your ideal audience and grow your audience in other areas. Here are I know because you have to marketer. It is one of the things that you have to know on grow your blogs and trading right now. This is a screenshot above. You have to show many of visitors I got on my blog last month. As you can be see an additional 6,924 visitors in a single month in monetization, and nothing is sneeze at. But what it is most important that understand to you blog with your almost always have to often way a successful YouTube channel because of its platform that allow to you connect it with your audience and deeper to the most personal level, such as the throughout email and so on. Blog can also have to show display have many alternatives to AdSense, so you are less retrieved on Google and usually have a higher click throughout rates and affiliate links from popular affiliate programs and other revenues channel. How to get started? Step 1 is start a blog. The first step is process is start blogging under to the same branding you will be have to already created. This is the key of ensure that your blog that is the same look to feel like your YouTube channel. You can either this is on WordPress it myself and chooses a website builder if you want to something little more intuitive. After you have to either hire a graphic designer, use graphic designing software. If you are that type of person, you will be recommended WordPress and always have to prefer website software. If you don't, you click here and join the intuitive courses in you want to today. It will be work with you process step by step. In the second step, share your blog on YouTube and more traffic. Once you have started blogging, you have to next step to share your content and already created with YouTube channel. There are few ways that you have to can do this. Monetization and mention below post videos on your tell people that check them into your description. Create versions of content and post on your description for your videos. The key is here to get you people and platform that is over to blog that you have to can get more than deeply interest in your brands. Unfortunately, YouTube is the nationally bad for gathering information and about for viewers. Still, connecting with your blogs allow to the dissatisfying touch points, build your deeper relationship with your biggest fans. Thanks for and you would be have to the tomorrow and woke up for YouTube channel is deleted. Aside of this picnic, you have to the another platform that connected with your audience and sell your hard work with your vanish overnight. In the third step, capture blog visitors email address. This is the key way that you have to making money online with your blog is get to visitors from of your YouTube, otherwise the signing up for your email list. Generally speaking, email marketing is one of the best way that you make money from following studies and shown that is the every first dollar spent on your return $36. Achieving for your ROI is the rather than very difficult to use. How to use your blog offer something that is value of the readers and exchange your email. For example, if you are sign up for your once you have to the more free courses, I will get your email addresses and then I deliver the ton of values with your courses their inbox, keep it touch and then you have to promote other things. But it is doesn't have two reasons and have to some courses you can try creating downloaded PDF and checklist, outlined ebook offers and audio-able hosted audiobooks, guidance and any way that you have to audience find helpful. Then when you have to the figure and that you are going for the offer, you can be use your list email marketing software to figure out the best platform for you. In the fourth step, use email to grow and make recommendations. Once you have an email addresses, you can grow your following and make recommendations to bring from of your revenue stream. In the terms of growth, you don't have to fear to send your email and every blog on your YouTube videos and creations. Or if you have to already have affiliate product on your making money by recommending, send to your overnight and email is the seat back for your commissions pile it, but not will be have together then powers of come responsibility and demanded for more YouTube premium content. If you have to abuse the trust for your following and given up for your constantly emailing them, then you have to likely unsubscriptions and you have to sending email a week with your new development in your audience. And now you have to know about, they have to ensure that your information to need it and overall overwhelming them.